Today, I'll walk you through how to increase the page size or canvas size in a Power BI dashboard, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your canvas dimensions so you can create a more visually appealing and functional report. First, let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll want to make sure you have your report ready for editing. Next, we need to deselect everything on your canvas. To do this, simply click on any empty space on your report canvas. If you have a visual selected, such as a chart or table, you will only see formatting options for that specific visual, so clicking on an empty area ensures you can make changes to the entire page. Now let's open the Format pane. Look to the right side of your screen and click on the Format page icon, which looks like a paintbrush. This pane is your toolbox for customizing your dashboard. Once the Format pane is open, click on Canvas Settings to reveal the drop-down menu. This is where we'll make the adjustments to your canvas size. Next, find the Type dropdown, which defaults to 16:9. Click on it and select Custom from the list. This option allows you to set specific dimensions that suit your needs. Now it's time to set your custom dimensions. Enter your preferred width and height in pixels. For instance, if you want a larger widescreen dashboard to prevent scrolling and need more room for visuals, a popular upgrade from the default 1280 by 720 pixels is 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is full HD. This gives you ample space to work with. After setting your dimensions, let's adjust how the page displays on your screen. Navigate to the View tab in the top menu. Under the Page View options, you can select from 3 choices. Fit to Page, which scales everything down so you can see the entire canvas at a glance. Fit to Width, which scales the report to fit the width of your screen, although you may need to scroll vertically. Actual Size, which displays the exact pixel size you configured. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout can vary depending on the version of Power BI you are using. And there you have it. You've successfully increased the page size or canvas size in your Power BI dashboard. This adjustment will help you create more effective and visually appealing reports. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.